Thank God today's Friday. I'm glad that you're with me. And I wanted to just touch on just a little thing. It says in verse 15, it says, instead, we will speak the truth in love. And I wanted to use just that alone this morning. Instead of being tossed to and fro by every wind of doctrine and landing up in areas of immaturity, it says, instead of that, we will speak the truth in love. I do not have to be rude. The truth is already challenging. The truth is already pushing people into conformity. One scientist once said to me, he said, a doctor of chemistry, he said, once I know the truth, I am mandated by that truth to correct every error. Let me say that again. He said to me, and I've taken, this has been said over 20 years ago, he said, once I know the truth, I am mandated by the truth to correct and address every error. I'm saying to you, you've got to speak the truth, but the attitude in speaking the truth must be one that conveys love, that conveys compassion. It is not trying to be puffed up by the knowledge. You're not trying to say, look at me, I know more than you, or I know differently to you, and the truth resides in. We're saying we were once in error. Not only doctrinally, but by our lifestyle. We lived in error. Now we're being exposed to truth. We cannot now look back at those spaces where we once inhabited and look back and say those people are. No, we were just like them. We are in some areas that still trying to climb out of the lies, untruths, misstatements that we've gravitated to because they resonated with our cultural existence. But now God is calling us to truth. So now we must speak it. We must speak it. We must declare it. We must make it known. But we do so with an attitude that says, come on, I know where you are. I know where you are. Recently, I was talking to somebody and I was saying to them, they were talking about their study pattern and work and all of the responsibility of family and having gone through the same process. I simply said to him, I know what you're talking about, and you could make it. Sometimes that's all people need to hear. I know where you are, and you can make it. And I say to you this morning, I kind of know where you are. And you, yes, you can make it.